Hi children, we're going to discuss the geography new topic work on the USA. So what this lesson is about is we're going to locate where the USA is and the states on a map. So this is for parents to follow. Main start is to do the slideshow, following each scene. Looking at a map of the world, where would you think the USA is? There's actually in two parts. If you know where we are and where in the world is the USA. Scroll down and then we look at the different continents, 7 continents in the world. Read the information, and then here's a map of the whole of the USA. Why is the country split into all these different sections? What do we call each of these sections? We call them states. Each state has its own laws and government, but is also part of the federal government of the United States. This means Americans are both citizens of the state they live in, as well as citizens of the whole of the USA. Now here we've got the main part, but these two parts, they're not exactly located there, but they are different parts in the USA further away, not on the mainland. Okay, do you know any names of states? Think about it before you go on to the next page. And then we're going to use the compass points to help us locate different states and where they're next to and which direction they're in. So a good way to remember the compass points, the 4 main ones, is north, south, east and west. A good way to remember it is this mnemonic: naughty elephants squirt water, north, east, south and west. Okay, and then do you know the compass points halfway between those 4 points? So for there, between south and west, and here between north and west. What do we call those points? Okay, so for example, here's a close-up of some of the states next to each other. So if you think about it, the state of Idaho is southwest of Montana. Idaho is southwest of Montana, southwest. So if you think of the compass point in the middle, Montana is in the middle, and Idaho is southwest. So if you look at the picture, southwest. And we've got a few more examples to use the 8 compass points. So let's practice. How would you describe the position of the star from the triangle? So where is it in relation to the triangle? Well, for example, the star is south of the triangle. It's south. So the triangle, if you see it in the center of the compass, the star is south, directly south. We've got a few more examples. And after the slideshow, you're going to choose one of the worksheets. Do 1A, 1B or 1C. So 1A, you've got names of some of the states already written, and you're going to use the clues here to write down and write in your map the names of the states. So if you look at the first example, California is south of Oregon and west of Nevada. South of Oregon, there's Oregon. So where would California be if it's south of Oregon? And write down where the number is and then put it in the column. Okay, so you got 1A and the clues, 1B, there's less words given, and then you've got to find more. And these are the clues for B, and for 1C are in blue, where there are no names, and you've got to use these clues to write them down. Try something different activity. We've got the 50 states and the numbers where they should be, and here we've got some clues for you to write down the names of the states. Try and get familiar with the different names of the 50 states. And then 1E, where you've got less clues, and then 1F, where you've got no clues. So see if you can memorize where some of them are located. You might have a little bit of help. And then this sheet shows you the actual names of all the states of America. Okay, good luck.